Hi inJoypreneurs! In this video, bibigyan namin kayo ng idea kung paano gumawa ng very own Choco Mousse Shake ninyo. So if you want to learn, keep on watching this quick and easy video. I-prepare natin ang ating milkshake for 16 ounce. Para sa measurements for different sizes, ipa-flash na rin namin sa screen. To prepare for our 16 ounce Choco Mousse Milk Shake, mix 1/3 cup of inJoy Choco Mousse powder and 60 ml water. I-blend lang natin para ma-dissolve ang powder. Then, add in our 240 grams crushed ice. And there! May Choco Mousse na tayo! Syempre, if ipang business natin, hindi natin pwede tipirin ng ingredients. We've got some ideas that you can do. First, add inJoy Fan Frap whipped cream. Second, pwede ka rin mag-add ng ice cream. Alam niyo ba na itong ice cream na ito ay made lang din with inJoy products? Kompleto na ang hahanapin mo. Itong recipe naman na ito ay magbibigay ng additional fun experience sa customer ninyo. Pour in choco fondue on top para pwedeng i-crack ng customers mo with their straw. Ang dali lang, diba? Pwede nyo pa dagdagan ng choco biscuits, crushed cookies, whipped cream, o iba pa. What recipes do you want us to do next? Comment them down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!